My beautiful and amazing people, hey, where una dey? Make una come out oh, make una come hear matter. Omo, history is about to repeat itself again. Wonders they say it shall never end. Omo, no be small thing oh, na every which way na Ipa wan take get to Reji oh. Una know say na here wey we dey when Reji children celebrated their birthday. When one particular lawyer come out come talk say see am oo, court don give Regina approval to see her children, say na Regina na im no gree to see her children, no be Ipa fault again. Dis dat come dey even dey show us court letter, court petition, court dis, court dat wey the court give an approval to Regina Daniel. E come dey make people dey talk say once people wey be say dem bin dey in support of Ipa before, dem say na true, Regina just like lifestyle, life don dey sweet her as she don dey single now, dey go from one place to the other, dey follow up and down. Na dat one na im good for her. She no wan get anything to do with the children again because of dis belief wey dem talk say make dem no worry, last the children go later come back, come look for her. Now wey be say she need the children, say before she just dey do paparazzi, na just for make she get sympathy from people. Na im make she bin dey do like say she really care about the children. Dis dat. People were just badging Regina Daniel. Why some dey pity for her say she have her reasons why she has refused to go see the children or to go close to them. She get her reasons. Imagine when she use their picture take do birthday for them instead of going to see them live, carry them comot make dem go do birthday. So na who go, who no go no go know, who see na im know wetin im see. So she have her reasons. Na here na im we dey oh. Na im dey say the nanny wey dey in charge of Munir and Khalifa, Regina Daniel children, dey say no be small thing oh. Na so sacking letter from nowhere just come land for her table. Wetin she do, omo, na im I wan carry come for una so. My people, make una draw una chair come closer with popcorn and chill water. Make una dey throw for mouth, make I carry una enter into the main cocoa of the cocolim. But before then, make I no forget to do the needful. I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I have to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and they bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use going to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, hey, no be small thing oh. Say Regina Daniel called the children nanny just to check up on them and hear from them to know about how they are faring. Just for her to dey talk to the nanny, the small one come dey talk say mommy. Na Regina come talk say okay, she go call them for WhatsApp, make dem switch am over to WhatsApp video. Make she, if she call her for WhatsApp, make she switch am to front camera, make she see the children face. The nanny say no problem, because according to the law, rules and regulation for Ipa house, if una dey do una work as staffs wey una be, because im get plenty staffs, e get security men, e get the ones wey dey do gate man, e get nanny, e get cook, e get this, e get that. All the whole children get their nanny, all the whole parents wey be say dem no dey for im house again, their children get nanny. So everybody get im own, but na one rules and regulation na dem get. In as much as say im don talk am say if their parents call, if no be him na im tell dem say make dem give the parent phone, make dem talk to the children, they are not allowed. Not to come talk of say they wan see them for video call, because if they see their children for video call, they no go hungry to come back, because automatically you don already see wetin if you come real life come see. Na the same thing with the video call. So what's now the essence of coming? But by the time wey the children scarce for your eye, you no see them at all, you go dey miss them. Maybe na the reason wey make am dey give that rules say unless im dey around, unless na him decide to allow the parent of the mama of the children to see them, else they are not allowed as staffs. Make them allow any video call with any of the children mama, of which they signed and they get implication according to the information allegedly. So Regina Daniel now called. When she called, she now said they should switch over. They switch over. She can't see the children. They talk, they play. She even sing for them. She told them she bought them toys, and that on a very good day she will come and check up on them. She will come and see them. They will have fun. They will still celebrate that their birthday. This that. She said a lot. That presently she is not around. She traveled, but if she's coming back, what will she buy for them? No children now. They can say, "Mommy, buy me this. Mommy, buy me that." She say yes. Say every trip where she dey go, she dey always buy them something, so she go still buy them something by the time wey she come. When they finish children happy everybody happy not knowing say the children, you know say na children now, you no go fit control wetin they dey talk or wetin they dey do. Na im dey say immediately Ipa come back, when they do oyoyo to Ipa finish, they come go tell Ipa say, daddy, we speak with our mom promise us that she's going to buy us toys, she's going to buy us this, that she traveled, if she's coming back she will buy us this, she will buy us that, all the things wey Reji tell them say she go buy for them. Na im dey tell Ipa. Na immediately, you know say everly CCTV camera e dey for that house. So Ipa was busy. He did not even notice what happened on the CCTV because he was coming from work. According to her, he said he dey very, very busy. Now in Congo, go switch her on to see and to hear all the conversation and everything that happened. Immediately in go on am, he can't hear everything wey happen. How the girl can't tell and say, Oga talk say make we no allow video call but talk. I cannot resist you. I cannot say no. Na im still hear am, no be say e no hear am, knowing fully well that this girl did not intentionally on her own accepted to allow Reji have access to the children to do video call. But still, because of im na Ipa, na anything wey im like na im go do. Na billionaire, e get the money, na senator, anything wey e like, e can do and go scot free. Na im dey say e just call the girl, come ask the girl say, how many times did I warn you people, even after signing the rules and regulation form? I still ended up telling you people that on no occasion should you allow the parents of those children have access to them, not to come talk of say they see them on video call. Didn't I say that to you? He said yes. So he said it. He said it, but it was not intentional. She was now trying to explain herself reasons why she allowed the Reji have access to the children, that she begged her, and the children too. They decry, they disturb on camera, so she have no choice but to allow her access to them, make dem see themselves for live video. Na Ipa come say okay, im don hear, not knowing say im dey plan something. Now according to the girl, say though that thing wey im dey plan on a very good day, after 2 days when the incident happen, na im cut off paper. You know say im get media team, abi im get management team. Management team just come serve her paper that she's been sacked from working as Ipa staff. Funny enough, she been get wetin she wan use money do. According to her, she say house rent dey for her head wey she wan pay, and that is already close wey Ipa go pay her. Now Ipa no gree pay her again. According to her, she say sometimes in the whole 2 months. Na inside that 2 months, if you wan pay her, you go pay her once. So she no dey even bother. She's even happy say he even owe her, he never pay her for so months, so that he go join the two of them pay her once. Na so they come take sack her. He no give her the other one, and even this one wey be say e remain 2 days to make month end, he no give her. Now she say, sacked. Wow. That is not what happened. She was trying to explain to the lawyer. They cried, they begged, say, no be wetin happen be that. I beg. She already know the implication, but please, it was not intentional. This, that, and they say no. And so they take back her baggages and bag, take pursue her outside. The way they do to Reji, and so they take do how they pack and go outside. Go drop her for outside. Now she now come carry phone after that day. She come call Reji say, I'm no longer in the house again. No. I'm no longer your children's nanny that have been sacked because of that particular thing that happened. That call that I allow you to call your children on video call. That is why I was being sent away. And now I have not been paid. TCC, I have a lot of things to do. Now they say Reji carry huge amount of money. Come tell the girl say make she come. As the girl go finish, now they say she carry better money. We go read to start business for person. Carry and give her almost 3 point something na im dey say she carry give her say make she go start something with her life, that she just pray that her children go get another nanny wey go look after dem the way this one take look after her. Just the way Ruth too, the same thing with Ruth that time. Say she pray God will lead any nanny wey go there, make dem go look after her children, that she will not even call again. And if another nanny come, definitely she will not get the number of the nanny, not to come talk of say she won't call the nanny. This one na because she get the number, that make she fit call. But God will lead the nannies that will come to her children's end. Another one say amen o. She talk thank you finish. Before you know, e be like say information come reach Ipa say Reji don see the girl they don settle her, she's doing well for herself. From nowhere na Ipa come sense say they get implication, they dey always get penalty for going against his rules and regulations. Just the way Reji friend be sit down her own jejeje, Cassie Snow, when Ipa carry private jet go carry Cassie Snow, say Cassie Snow make Regina Daniel comot im pikin for belle. That was when Regina still dey inside house o. E no find Cassie Snow that time o. Na when marriage don go south na im go dey find Cassie Snow say Regina Daniel comot belle for am and na she cause am. So e dey find private jet make dem go arrest her, say she is guilty. E come out come talk am. No be say na me dey talk am o. E practically said it when they dey drag am say wetin Cassie Snow don do am, im don start again. The same thing wey im do Sammy, e don dey carry am go the Regina Daniel friend again. Wetin happen? They swear for am. Na im come dey talk say if e reach una turn, make una leave am na. Say the girl go comot Reji belle, im pikin for belle, this one that one. But when she remove this belle, she was still in your house. Wije wey she come out come talk say im head go house. You never said anything. Na now wey be say the marriage don go south, na that time you come remember, they come dey pain you. Na so based on say im don hear say the girl now don get favour from Regina Daniel, Regina don settle her, na im burst out from nowhere. E say penalty dey for violating, and that court don issue her paper. They need to see her in court. Omo, na im the girl immediately she see court paper, they say the girl tuama on. They say the girl tuama, the way Ruth take tuama, that's so the girl tuama with that body wey they carry give her. Who say God abeg, I no go come carry this money wey dem give me make I take start life, come carry her go dey go court up and down, up and down, up and down. Abeg, no be wetin I come this life come do be that. That's what the girl take run away o. My people, I say wetin be this man problem particularly? The same man wey go tell lawyer say make lawyer come out come talk say they don give Regina freedom to see children. Now they call children for video call. E dey sue person for allowing, for going against his rules, for allowing the mother of children to see their children. Una see this life, e no just balance at all at all. I know say im main target why im be no wan make the Reji no see the children, so that by the time wey she miss the children well, if she get any opportunity, na she go tear race dey come say oya o, make I go see my children. Una no understand. I believe that is the motive, that is the reason why he doesn't want her to see the children. But anyhow wey e wan take be, person wey don made up im mind don make up im mind, and a day will come wey be say im go regret im action. Na im go later dey talk say come see your children. Regina no go gree that time. Na im go even dey talk say come do video call, she no go gree. And that will be the case by the end of the day. I happy as this nanny run for her dear life, make Ipa no use her take count scores, because Nigerian law court no be wetin dem dey use play. Na so the case for dey o. You go dey go dey come, dey go dey come, dey do transport up and down, dey go dey come. Before you know, your life don spoil. Money wey dem give you, you no go do. Business, you no go do. You just dey go dey come up and down. And na so wetin you bin wan do to the girl be that. Now the girl don tuama. My people, how una take see this matter now? Wetin una think say e be this man problem particularly? We wan know. What is his problem? And did Regina do anything wrong to have called her children on video call to see them? Did the nanny did something wrong? Did what she did, was it enough for her to be prosecuted or to be sent to law court? Make una drop una opinion for the comment section. What you think? Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. Now the man your humble get gifted is I'm the bring good and latest. See you guys in my next upload.